run. You ruined their home. You have to be careful around wildlife.
I'm sorry. I guess I don't know my own strength.
It can take a bird weeks to build their nest. They have to collect grass, moss, twigs. Some species use binding materials like mud or even their own saliva to fortify and support their nest. A lot depends on climate and the location. That doesn't look anything like their nest.
I even added an indoor pool.